I can do that like that, right?
Yeah, you just have to come like before sunset starts.
Yeah, exactly.
Or else you'll have to pay an extra fee if you're like actually inside our sunset time, which is actually
No problem. We'll just add on if we need to.
right. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. So
Yes.
we'll come back later, but I'll just reserve now.
Yes, of course.
Thank you so much. First, ma'am. Pwede raw yan. Parang hindi niya inaantay. Siyempre, yung ganong klaseng discount.
Thank you.
Mag-mistake ka para may maga ka. Kasi mag-ibabayad na pag sunset ka. Apa. No, not yet. We have the sightseeing pass.
We're gonna make reservations.
Exactly,
over here.
yeah. But my question would be, and I asked also, if for example, because we want to do the like 6 o'clock before, and then the night time also. So if we come here 6 o'clock, and then go out by 8 so that it will be dark, is it possible like this?
Yeah, there's no time limit once you're upstairs.
Okay, so
But you should make the reservation now because that time slot usually sells out first.
okay, so any kiosk.
Any kiosk, you're gonna click on Make My Reservation, and
Yes.
then you're gonna scan your sightseeing pass.
Thank you.
Okay.
So individually for us.
No, you're gonna scan them all together, and
All
then
together.
pick a reservation time so that you're all together.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
86.4, 86.4. 86.4.
Tungan.